Oh boy. I was seeing this guy. This may have been our third or fourth date. So you know each other, but not that well, but you're familiar. So this particular night, we were on our way. He was coming to pick me up to go to a restaurant. So I'm at home getting ready, and all of a sudden my stomach starts to bubble up. And I'm like, uh-oh, maybe it's not a good idea to go because I don't want to. But I really wanted to see him. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna take something. So I took a little something and I was fine after that. Went to the restaurant. Everything is beautiful. Having a great time. It's so fun. He's such a gentleman. And soon as the waitress brings the food out, my stomach was like, don't like it. And it starts to bubble back up again quickly. And I realized I have to excuse myself gracefully, but fast. And I was like, okay. As soon as I get up, I let one rip. And it was loud. And I was like, oh no. He was like, did you just fart? And there was no way to play it off because you heard it, number one. And I was completely mortified. Completely mortified. But he was so cool about it. And we had a great rest of the date. And we saw each other for a while after that. But, that was one of my embarrassing moments. I'm only human, people. Don't act like you never done it before.